June and July, this is what the Lord said to me. June and July, delayed celebration. Any celebration and congratulations, you better believe it, because it's your word. It is your word. You may not see the winter, you may not see the rain. June and July, delayed celebration in your career, in your marriage, in your finances. My God, my God. Hear the sound of your amen. Carry your evidence. Carry your evidence. Carry your evidence. Right now. 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 Let your amen tonight. Let your amen rise. Let your amen rise.